McLaren's most powerful internal combustion engine in a road car. McLaren revealed the Senna at the 88th Geneva Motor Show. Named after Ayrton Senna, who raced a McLaren to become a three-time Formula One world champion. The Senna is the most powerful McLaren ever built other than the P1. Senna includes a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine making 789 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It has a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 2.8 seconds and can reach a maximum speed of 211 miles per hour. At 2,600 pounds, the Senna is the lightest McLaren since the F1 in the 90s. Only 500 units will be built and all will be hand-assembled. Each Senna takes 300 hours to build.